Difference between current transformer and potential transformer. So currently we have seen CTs as well as PTs and their applications and their uses in all the power transformer application of protection purpose as well as in measurement purpose. So what is CT and what is PT and how they are differentiated, that is to be understood. So for the purposes, CT is used to step down the high current to a safe and measurable value, usually 1 ampere or 5 ampere on the secondary side, whereas for the potential transformer it steps down the high voltage to a safe measurable value, that is 110 volts or 110 by root 3 volts, that is 63.5 volts. The primary is connected in series with the power circuit, so the same current flows through it in case of current transformer, whereas in case of potential transformer, the primary is connected in parallel across the power circuit, so the same voltage appears across the primary winding. Secondary supplies the measuring instrument or relays with proportional current either 1 ampere or 5 ampere as per the rating. In this case, potential transformer, secondary supplies measuring instrument or relays with the proportional voltage rated as 110 or 110 by root 3 volts. Primary winding consists of a single turn or a few turns of thick conductor, often just a bus bar itself. Whereas in case of potential transformer, the primary winding consists of many turns of fine wires. Secondary winding, many turns of fine wire to reduce current to a safe value, whereas for the potential transformer, very few turns compared to the primary to reduce high voltage to a measurable value. Output quantity is, in case of CT, is current, that is 1 ampere or 5 ampere, which is as per the standard, and in case of potential transformer the output quantity is voltage itself, that is 110 volt rated or 110 by root 3 volts. The burden on the secondary, that is the load connected on the secondary, can be usually very small in case of CT relays and emitters. Similarly for the PTs, very small voltmeters, protective relays, etc. Accuracy class of PTs can be 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 5P, 10P, that is of protection classes, etc. In case of potential transformer, 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, which is very accurate. Insulation requirement in case of CT can be designed for the low insulation, since primary has only 1 turn at system voltages, whereas potential in case of PTs it requires high insulation because it is directly connected to the high voltage. Now operation if secondary is open, in this case it is very dangerous. If the secondary is left open, high voltage is induced and can damage the insulation and be hazardous. But in case of PT, not dangerous if secondary is open, but instruments won't show reading. Applications of CT, it is used for the measurement of current protection, that is overcurrent protection, differential protection, etc. Whereas in case of PT is measurement of voltage, protections of overcurrent, over voltage, under voltage, distance relay, and in case of reverse power, etc. The output of the PT is important. So these are some points to be considered while we are differentiating current transformer and potential transformer.